This is a drawing that my little son made. I promised him to bring his imagination to life, so let's see if we can actually pull it off. This character is a bit of a challenge. Well, the sketch of my son is quite simple, let's say. So I didn't want to go or to deviate too much from from his concept. So I tried to look for shapes that actually matched the general idea. But I was playing with the idea that he was a grunt, some kind of a pirate, something like that. So I'm adding some details that may resemble, a grumpy pirate, something like that. At the beginning, I thought that maybe he could be cute or, kind, or maybe a little dumb. But later on, I thought that why not making him a badass, So I tried to get a more epic character. So I decided to go this way and just make him look a little threatening. I went ahead with the look of a grumpy minion from a powerful pirate. And this is what I came up with. At the end, you will see that I skipped the barrel because I thought that maybe it would be better to just stay with the concept. Oh God. At this stage, I realized that I didn't know how to cut this figure into pieces. So I just went on searching for some tutorials here in YouTube on how to make booleans. And believe me, there are a ton of them. So I just went into it.
One eternity later.
It all started as a little drawing, and now it's real. I hope my son enjoys it as much as I did creating it for him. Now it's time for a little rest, and I'm just thinking, what should we do next? Please share your comments below and tell me your thoughts. I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next creature.